Here I have Blackberry KeyOne, and let me show you how to reset network settings on the following device. So at the very beginning you have to open the list of all applications, then go to the settings. Here scroll down to the very bottom of the list of the settings list and pick system. Now it's time to select reset options over here, and now from this list you have to select network settings reset. So just tap on this one, and you have to be aware that it will reset all network settings, including Wi-Fi, mobile data, and also Bluetooth. If you truly want to perform it, just tap on reset settings. Just make sure that you want to do it, because this operation cannot be undone. But if you are sure, just tap on reset settings. Confirm it one more time, and within a few seconds your network settings will be reset. And that's it. Thanks for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.